All right, everybody, we've got Cream. This guy has got an incredible high. He's got the beauty pad, elbow, wrist, wave. Third gen Tacoma, obviously running the Super. I wanted to grab him and talk to him also a little bit about his setup. So talk to me, and what have you done here? Because this looks beautiful.
Yeah, of course. This is my log cabin on wheels without logs, just a cabin.
Yep.
The prime kind of component we got in the back is our Goose Gear storage system.
Yeah, sweet.
So this was made for a Vagabond, but I modified it to fit the Super Pacific.
Okay.
They now make them for the Super Pacific.
Yep, absolutely.
The other cool thing we got here is National Lunar fridge.
Yep.
Slides out with the freezer.
So is this a dual zone?
Dual zone, yes.
What size is this?
I think it's the 50 liter.
50 liter dual zone.
50 liter dual zone.
Okay. Yeah.
Got sparkling water if you want some.
Awesome.
The other thing that's really cool in here, if we come over to this side, is we've got the whole Red Arc system.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
all right.
So in the back we have Manager 30 and the Red Vision system.
Yep. Okay.
So heated lithium battery in the back, air compressor.
Yep.
We've got Baja spotlights.
Yes.
And then Baja Squadron.
Yes.
On the top. Or Sports.
Yeah. Sweet.
Diesel heater. You name it. We got custom insulation.
So in here, we've done this too. This is a great, again, I said this earlier, I love doing the build outs with the Goose Gear stuff because you can hide so much of the gear that you want. So you've got, you said was it a Battleborn heated 100 amp hour battery. You've got your Red Vision, your Manager 30. He's got the display right on your Moly panel over there. Yep. You've got your diesel heater. Where's your diesel heater, man?
The diesel heater is mounted on the side.
On the other side, so between the.
Yeah, so actually what's really cool is not only does the Goose Gear hide the boxes, but it pairs well with the Super Pacific.
Yeah.
Because you got the wire chases.
Yes.
So you don't realize it, but there's like probably over 1,000 feet of wire
in here.
Just with all these components.
And we don't see any of it.
You don't see any of it.
Yeah.
The diesel heater is really cool. It was tricky mounting that with the exhaust.
Yep.
I probably did it 3 times, spilled diesel all over my truck. It was terrible. But what's cool about the heater is it has 2 vents. So one comes out under the bed and heats up the bed. And then the other vent's up here and heats up the upper section.
Yeah, which is really such a game changer, that setup.
Yeah.
Super slick.
So this is the camper. I'm not sure.
You're running a Rhinorack Compact 270, right? Yep. Using obviously the Super Pacific awning mounts. A Prinsu cab rack fits right under, just barely.
Just barely. It bangs up a little bit.
A little bit of touching.
We got some pads, but these are really great for running wiring.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna have like rock lights or a solar panel or whatever, these racks still work great.
Yeah. Yeah. And that gives you just enough room for a set of 4 max tracks up there. Fills in that gap nicely. It is. Yeah. That's right in there. It's tight a little bit, but. Then talk to me, you're running BP51 OME.
Yeah, love them.
Yep.
Love them. Got the heavy duty leaf pack. I did
Is that a OME leaf pack? Or, yep. Okay.
I did the OME HD and then I added an extra leaf on top of that.
Perfect.
These campers do get a little heavy.
Yeah.
And then I did Archive Garage shackles.
Oh, nice.
In the back.
I mean, it sits nice. It's nice and level. Maybe it has a toucher rake, which is
tiny bit of rake.
Touch.
Not when it's loaded.
Hey man, that's not when it's loaded, but
the other thing
better
nice
than the reverse when you are loaded.
Is a little unique is the Willwood brakes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I had to get big brakes.
Yeah.
And, it makes a big difference.
Yeah.
These are 305s.
Yep.
So they're a little chunky.
Yep.
But I think it's pretty much done. And then we got the WeBoost mounted to the top.
Heck yeah.
And then the only last 2 things I'm gonna do is some rock lights and then a Max Air fan.
Oh, nice.
At the top.
At the top.
Yeah.
Ooh, brilliant.
But other than that, it's pretty much done.
Yeah, it's beautiful, man.
Yeah, reach out if you have any questions or need any advice for building.
Yeah.
But obviously come to Rhino.
Thank you,
They're gonna hook you up with whatever you need.
Absolutely. This truck is awesome. There are so many rad trucks. Man, I could go from one to another, but refresh my memory. What is the color of this?
Lunar Rock.
Lunar Rock.
Best color. Don't tell anyone. Best color.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So if you see a Lunar Rock, 3rd gen Tacoma, Super, Goose Gear, and all the good stuff, it's this guy, Kareem, dude.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, dude.
Of course, man.
I appreciate it. Thanks for coming out.
No problem.